Hello, my name is Rune. I'm going to talk about Choose Chains and what Choose Chains is. Um, it's a page ranking system or link trading classifieds, you could call it. A way for webmasters to find other webmasters to partner up with to trade links. If you don't know what PageRank is, it's a way for Google to prioritize sites and quality rate sites by how many ingoing links it has. And of course, it is important that you have ingoing links from inbound links from relevant sites to your niche. So if you have an internet forum, computer forum, you want links from other related sites. Um, in some sense. It may not be actually the same category or niche. It could be related, like advertising and marketing. The site is built up so you can search for keywords. So let's say you have a discussion forum. You say forum here and hit submit. It will search for keywords. Other classified stats or sites that are listed in our directory, they have keywords for their search terms. So basically, that's what Choose Chains is about. It's a classified system for webmasters to find other webmasters to partner up with and get inbound links or link trades for their sites. Um, the whole service is free. We started out developing this project because we had a hard time getting links or partner up with other sites, getting good quality links, link trades. We've tried a lot of scripts out there. Some of them are just traffic scripts, so they don't give anything to your page rank. Other scripts just list a whole long row of link in the left side or at the bottom of the page. Of course, Googlebot can see that, and it won't do any good, if any at all, to your site. It may be good, do a little, but to be found, but not any much good to your page rank. Um, the best way is of course links in articles, blogs, and so on, and direct links. This whole system built on direct links to pages, not redirected into our system to exchange.com and onwards to another site. It's direct link between two sites. So it doesn't cost anything to use it. You don't need to make a recip or link back to Choose Chains, reciprocal link to us. And we think this is a very unique service. I haven't seen anything like it on the internet yet. And it is an attempt to try and make something quality minded in a way to find relevant webmasters in your niche to trade link with. So there are two ways of getting started here. You could either submit your site, add site. Of course you have to find a category where you want to add the site. Here, let's say here, if you want to add a site, you just have to make an account. It's free. You just need a username, password, and email, and you'll just get one email where you have to confirm, and then you can add your site in a relevant category. When you have added your site like this one, you you're not connected in any way to TwoExchange.com, because let's say that shouldn't happen, but let's say one of the things that worries people is getting listed at the sites like TwoExchange that people may fear that could be blacklisted and be connected to that site. You're not connected. You can't see this domain from this computer forum. You can see his PageRank on the main site, and you can see his recip link on the reciprocal site. This could be another domain actually, and you can see his keywords, the search terms that he ranks high on. Here you can see a short description. We can click on his site, and he can have some terms for link trading, and he can have more reciprocal sites. So we just don't have we have more than one. So we have several alternatives for linking back. So we don't have one big link farm at one page, but you can have it at several. And let's say we think that looks fine. We have an something computer related, a PC blog or something like that, a notebook blog, and we think we will try and trade link with him. We can go in and see his requirements. He has set the minimum page rank to 1 at our site, the main site that he will link to, and the reciprocal site or the link back URL that will link from to his main page also is 1. He could have been set it to 3, let's say that. And of course you can check up your page rank here before you paste it in and submit the form. Title, this is the title he'll be using in his links. Short description, email, and you just submit. That's the way. Now you're hooked up, and you are. Our systems know that you too are hooked up. He'll get an email where you have to click an approve link or reject link. If he hits approve link, he'll get the cut and paste link. This will be a direct link with your title. This link with your title he has to paste in his reciprocal link, and he'll hit a link where that will send our robot over to check to find this URL on his reciprocal URL. If it finds it, it'll send an email back to the link submitter, us here, and we will get an inclusion link to his main page that we have to paste in here, and hit a link to make our robot go and check that he has that we have implemented the link correct to his site. It will also be a direct link to his main URL with his title. That's all there is to it. You don't have to do any more work. Our robot will check scheduled on a scheduled basis. It will check on his reciprocal link for a link back to your main resource, and the opposite, your link back to his main resource. If it doesn't find it at some point in time, it could be a maintenance or an editing error, or it could be a downtime on the server. You'll get notified both with a link to his recipe URL to your main resource URL. You just get a link. You can hit check to see if you can find it manually, because maybe it is just an error, and if not, you could just stop your cooperation together. But our system will check up and everything is alright. And the same happens if his page rank dropped to 0. It may be that he's banned on Google. You'll get notified too by email. So it is all based on email and not much work, but still it's static. Thank you. That's all for now.